Okay, now we're doing the bowl loop. So again, bowl loop. Last year we ran this backwards. Everything down here is directional, but they changed directions since last year, so. Actually where bowl loop gets the name. This is the actual bowl. So they turned the trail around last year and they actually bypassed it. So normally we'd come in right here, but since they reversed the trail, it went all the way around and then we bypassed it. But now we're just coming to see it real quick. Nothing real steep or anything, just something cool. Oh, you remember my video from last year? Yeah, you can't ever tell, man. Yeah, Max was just like, oh, your video from last year don't do this justice.
Yeah, no, it doesn't even look like anything on video. Alright guys, so got less than a minute left in the video. I'm not really sure what happened, if I stopped recording or what, but I cannot find the rest of my bowl loop footage, and it's unfortunate because this is one of my favorite loops. So anyways, this video is really short and about to be over, so thanks for watching. The next video will be East Loop, which was the longest loop of the day, and it was killer. See you next time.